planted in Windows 95 by a group of cheeky Microsoft programmers. And here's how you first call up Excel spreadsheet, then scroll down to 95. Select the entire row and tab across to column B. Hit Help and go down and select About Microsoft Excel. Now you want to hold down the Control, Alt and while you hit Tech Support with your mouse. And here you are in the Hall of Tortured Souls. Use your directional keys. The walls are covered, each of them software designers and programmers who've sold their soul to Big Bill. Their own hard work. Down the stairs and you'll see a grey wall looming directly in front of you. Walk right up to the wall till a massive solid grey fills your screen. Then type the letters EXCEKFA and you'll find yourself on a slender zigzag pathway. Now walk along carefully using your directional. And do be careful because if you fall off the end of the path, at the end of the path you enter another secret chamber. This one lined with photographs, programmers of Windows 95. It's a rather imaginative way of blowing their own trumpets and guaranteeing mortality. To get out, just hit Escape. This only appears on Windows 95 0, so if you haven't got it, find someone who has. Well, that's just about it for this edition of The Hub. I'll see you next week. But in the meantime, we'll leave you with the performance